Would you like to know how to make money on YouTube? Well, in this video, I will share with you the different ways that you, as a YouTube creator, can start making money on YouTube. My name is James, and welcome to the YouTuber Growth School. Here is where creators come to learn, and once they learn, they earn. The number one way for you to make money on YouTube is quite obvious, and that is YouTube ads. You will see on different videos where before you watch the video or in the middle of that video, you will see an advert. That is one of the ways to make money. In order for you to qualify to have ads run on your videos, the first thing you need is you need to have 1,000 subscribers. The second thing that you need is to have 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. Now, the next video after this, I will explain to you what this means, but for now, that is the first way that you can make money. This is what you need to understand. YouTube is a business that wants to make money, and the way they make money is asking for advertisers to come on YouTube and place their adverts in front of an audience. Now, whatever they make, they will share that money with you. So they keep 45%, you get 55% of what that particular advertiser has paid. There are so many things that go into the nitty-gritty of how much you get paid or what an advertiser pays for a particular kind of content, and that is beyond the scope of this video. But the first way is the easiest, and it is also the slowest way of making money: YouTube ads. The second way that you can make money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. And I have done a video that I will post in this card up here that teaches a little about online businesses, but I'll also do a specific one on how you can get started on affiliate marketing here on YouTube. Affiliate marketing basically means that whenever you're doing a particular video of whatever thing it is, it may be fashion, it may be makeup, it may be a vlog, whatever it is, you drive traffic to a particular provider. For whatever sales they make or whatever money they make, they pay you a commission. If I'm selling this pen, as a seller, I may sell it at 100 shillings. This is a good example, okay? If you come to my store, wherever it is located, and then you buy this particular pen, then I will charge you 100 shillings, okay? Now, once I've done that, you pay me 100 shillings. All that profit belongs to me because I am the manufacturer of this pen. Now, as a creator, you can come in and you see, I love this pen, I love using this pen, and I want other people to make use of it. Now, when I promote it and I tell you this is the best pen in the world, like Wolf of Wall Street saying, sell me this pen. Now, if I sell this pen, if I talk about the way this pen is unlike any other pen and the ink in it is just, and people buy this pen because of me, that manufacturer will want to appreciate me, okay? So what I will get is called an affiliate link, like you will see some in the description below. An affiliate link means that I do not own this pen, but I promote this pen. And that you will see with very many different YouTubers. They will promote microphones, they will promote cameras, they will promote phones. All this talking about how good a product is or your experience in using a particular product. If you're a makeup artist, this is a perfect way for you to make side income. And in the next video, I will also show you how exactly to get this rolling using affiliate links, some that are local in Kenya and some that are international. You can place them all, and when someone clicks on them, then they can be able to actually make you a commission. The third way that you can make money using YouTube is to become a consultant. Whenever you've begun a YouTube channel, you become an expert in a particular field. And that is where you can also charge for the services that you give. Becoming a consultant in a production that someone is doing, in a project that someone is doing, because you have shown yourself using the content that is on your channel that you are a subject matter expert. Then they use that, you can use that as leverage, saying that I have over 100,000 views, I have this number of subscribers, I have been able to help businesses scale from here to here. Depending on whatever business that you're currently in or the channel that you're in, you can become a consultant. Becoming a consultant means that you can come into a project and charge a special rate because of the expertise that you already have. This is usually good for people who are doing education, or even if you're doing fashion, you can be called as a fashion stylist by a musician who wants you to help them on their music video. All these are opportunities that you can get into. The next way that you can make money is by becoming a public speaker or just a speaker in general. Whenever a conference is held, they may call for speakers, and some events actually pay you to become a speaker. You can become a paid speaker at an event, and that is from people knowing who you are and by you creating an online brand that resonates with corporates or with brands that will want to work with you, so you can become a speaker as well and make money because of YouTube. The next thing that you can do is come up with physical products. This can be books, this can be makeup line, like I know there's one that is really popular, that is Joanna K Cosmetics. There is the product line that is by Caroline Mutoko. All these are products that you can come up with depending on the line that you're in. As a creator, as an educator, I can come up with a book, which will be a physical book that will be sold either locally in bookshops, on Amazon or other sites. And the same goes with digital products, where you can create online courses that people can sign up to, and you can sign up to different sites. I will place some links in the description below. There's one called Udemy, there's another called Thinkific, which you can get in touch with them and build your courses. They usually take you through the whole process. So if you have something that you would like to teach people about, then you can create a course on this site, and every time that people buy these courses, you make some money from it. Some sites will charge you 50% because of the amount of promotion they will do on their sites for you, and they will also give you different deals and offers for you to be able to actually make more money. So the hard work goes into actually putting the course together, which is the bulk of the work, actually putting the course together. Then after that, what you will need to do is now promote that course or promote the book that you have, and all this can be done from your YouTube channel. That in essence shows you that we are continuing to find out different ways that you can be able to make money from your YouTube channel. The next way that you can make money is by channel memberships. Channel memberships are a new way of making money on YouTube, and you qualify for channel membership from about 30,000 subscribers. And as you go on, this is what it means. People decide that they like your content enough that they want to support the creative work that you do. People like your content, and so they want to support the work that you do. Then every month they will pay about $5 to support your channel, and that is a monthly fee. So what you do for them is that you can actually thank them by doing member videos, by doing live streams that are specific to your members, by even having Skype calls with your members, so that you thank them for the support that they are giving you. Apart from the free viewership that is there on YouTube, you can actually have channel membership. There are channels that already have them. So what happens is that when you go on a particular channel, you will see that it has join. It is usually in blue. I will show a graphic right here. And once that happens is that you will, if you join, you put your credit card information, and then you can support that particular channel. The next way that you can actually make money has to do with live streams, which is called super chats. It is not available in every single country. Actually, at the moment of shooting this video, it is not available in Kenya. But what it actually means is that when you go live, your viewers can actually tip you anything from $1 to whatever amount that they want, just to thank you for the content that you're doing on your channel. If you're in a country where super chats are available, it is advisable to turn them on so that when your viewers come to watch, they know that they can be able to support you with a super chat. You can do a live stream and end up making $30 or $100, which is much more than you'd have been able to make just from ads alone on that particular day. So super chats is an interesting way and an easy way for you to make money on YouTube. The next way that you can make money is by merchandise. This can be in the form of hats, hoodies, pens, books, whatever merchandise that you sell that people can identify with whatever you're doing. This is usually good if you have a good active subscriber base where people can actually want to identify with the message, with the brand that you have created for your channel. You can check out a site called Teespring where you can get templates that you will work with, and they can be able to even do the fulfilling for you, where someone comes and they order a particular size, they ship it to them directly, they input all their information on the Teespring site, you get paid whatever amount that you've decided with Teesprings. This video is specifically to help creators so that you can be able to know that there are more ways that you can make money on your YouTube channel, not just depending on YouTube ads. Even if you have 10 subscribers, these things are still available for you to start with so that you can continue building your own business around your channel. See you in the next one.